48 mini dry erasers. What I love about it is they are small in size. It's a pack of 48. They measure 2 by 2. This is great with school starting back. I know a lot of the littles that my daughter goes to school with, they have their own whiteboards. And so this is perfect that each kid has their own eraser. Not only does it erase the dry board, but it's magnetic and it sticks to the dry erase board as well. Here I've got one already out. You can see it is stuck to the whiteboard. And so it just automatically sticks. It's got the cute little color on the outside, and then this will also erase the whiteboard, but it's also magnetic. And when it's time to erase, you just simply wipe it across, and just like that, our whiteboard is clean. Not only is it effective for school, but it's also good in the office area. I have a whiteboard in my office, and so I love the fact that I have them. I've got extras in case one gets lost or I just need to change it out. Overall, these have been a great addition. I can't wait for the school year so the kids can use them with their whiteboards as well. I hope you found the review helpful.